Hello?
Welcome to the amazing digital circus!
What's going on? I put on some weird headset and now I'm here.
Okay.
Let's go! What the is going on? What? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Why are we here again? What are we doing?
Huh.
Hey! Don't worry, Dollface. I've got a key to it.
Oh.
Thank you.
We're getting one of our friends.
No.
Sure. What is that? Oh no!
Hey, Pomni.
4, 2, 1. 6, 3, 2, 2. Thank you.
Wait. Yay! Exit door I saw out there.
Okay.
Drax!
Ragatha?
Kaufmo?
Where?
Okay, but where can I find him?
Kane!
Wow!
Okay.
Thank you.
My! It appears a new human has entered this realm!
Oh.
Yeah!
Good.
Yay!
Kaufmo? Drax!
Ragatha?
Bye. Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh!
Oh.
Oh. No.